Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Sport. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're keeping a lookout at the bottom. But over here, from any screen, there it's on nav. We just go to phone, it's saying search for new, or if we go to home menu, again you've got please connect device there, audio, video, please pair phone. We can click on please pair phone. Search for new, vehicle to device, device to vehicle. We'll do vehicle to device because then that will generate a PIN code rather than you generating a PIN code here and then typing in on there. It just gives you something to type in. It's searching away there. Barry's iPhone 11, so we'll click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 9296. So screens come up here, 9296, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connecting here, Range Rover Sport connected, phone connected.